Neon and Nubank are two of the most popular digital banks in Latin America, both redefining how people manage their money without the limitations of traditional banking. While they share the same goal of financial inclusion and simplicity, their approaches, products, and user experiences set them apart in several key ways. Neon, a Brazilian fintech, focuses primarily on making banking accessible for everyday users who want control, transparency, and ease of use. It offers a fully digital account with a free debit card, optional credit card, and integration with Pix for instant payments. One of Neon's strongest points is its focus on simplicity and no hidden fees. The app interface is clean, intuitive, and targeted at younger customers and freelancers who prefer managing their finances directly from their phones. Neon also integrates savings goals and investment options through partnerships with established investment platforms, giving users access to basic wealth-building tools without needing a separate account. Nubank, on the other hand, has evolved from being just a credit card provider to becoming one of the largest digital banks in the world. Its app is known for its smooth performance, minimalistic design, and strong customer support. Nubank offers a range of services including credit cards, digital checking accounts, loans, investments, and even insurance. It's particularly known for its user empowerment philosophy, offering detailed spending insights, transparent limits, and flexible bill payment features. Nubank's customer satisfaction rate is consistently high, largely because of its fast, friendly, and human-centered support system. When comparing the two, Nubank clearly leads in scale and product diversity. It has a wider ecosystem, more advanced analytics, and a proven track record in credit management. Neon, however, remains a strong alternative for users seeking simplicity, fewer distractions, and a focus on basic, low-cost financial management. It's ideal for those who prefer a direct, functional banking experience without the complexity of multiple financial products. Both banks offer secure platforms with robust encryption and fraud protection. Neon leans toward offering accessibility and practicality for personal finance starters, while Nubank stands out as a full-scale financial ecosystem that appeals to tech-savvy users and those seeking more advanced services. In essence, the choice between Neon and Nubank depends on your financial needs. If you want a straightforward, low-fee digital bank that does the basics very well, Neon is a solid pick. But if you prefer a comprehensive, feature-rich experience that grows with your financial goals, Nubank is the clear winner. Both are shaping the future of digital banking in Brazil and beyond, proving that modern finance can be both simple and empowering.